He don't know if I hit something. I don't know if I hit something. In this big ass truck, this bitch. Fuck.
I can feel that, bro. It's shaking. I think we popped the tire.
I think so too.
You still have the yield on?
Yeah, we gonna ride this bitch. Fuck it, we gonna drive this bitch fast. Nothing hasn't showed up on my car.
Oh, really?
Thing that like air is low or shit.
So we might be good.
It's just gonna be alright, right?
Yeah.
Tell me this not perfect.
You said what? Bro, I think we're tripping.
You dropped the lighter under the truck. Cameron Nichols Entertainment. God damn, boy, you fly as hell. Who taught you how to do this shit? Bitch, ain't nobody taught me how I taught myself, bitch ass. Dice pimping 20 trannies in Thailand right now. Negative.
They're actually guys or what?
Yeah, you gotta ask him. He knows about that shit. I know nothing about that. Come on, Dice. You ain't get no better, bro. Thailand is... know how to get up this house. Hella hot.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? I thought this was a way to get up. Over there.
He's always thinking, bro.
He's trying to think about his next murder.
It's just like, bro, I used to jump chasing her.
You used to?
Yeah, like.
Oh, yeah.
And she a lawyer. You think she gonna clock in?
Yeah.
She like, whoop, I'll help you with all that. You recording?
No.
What's going on? Take it for a ride in the bus lane. Did you know whose car is this? Your buddy over here. My partner said he's pretty funny.
Yeah, I like this guy.
Yeah, so he's getting. You guys are getting a pass because of him.
Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you.
Listen,
Thank you, guys, man.
Appreciate you. A whole lot of fuck ups tonight.
But I'll still get the ticket though. Can I get a ticket pass?
Good stuff.
No,
Please.
You already
laid out.
I am.
Yeah, no.
Alright, that's
It's already
good.
too
I'm
late.
jealous.
So you're gonna get a ticket.
Chilling. I'm just
But
chilling, man.
like I said, I'm not gonna tow your car, and you're not gonna get DUI.
Okay.
Because I can do that.
Fine. That's fine. All right.
All right.
32.
I can give you. I can get rid of the ticket.
Guys,
and give
no.
you a DUI.
We're good.
All right. Yeah.
So I need you to sign right here. All right.
Would you guys be
Yeah,
down to
smoke that
play
good stuff
a
at
role
home
in
and
the
then get in the
video?
car.
I can't do that.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to go finish
I get
it.
in trouble. People ask us to do that all the time.
Depends if the rap is any good. Are you,
I like
who's the rapper? Is
me.
it you?
Me, yeah.
What's your name?
Dice.
Oh, that's a good name.
Thank
I
you.
like that.
Thank you.
Take a chance on Dice.
Thank you.
All right.
Man, how much? Okay.
All right, Dice.
Okay. Thank you. Hey, bro, put on the mask, bro.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
So taking it off?
Go for it. This guy.
Niggas start going crazy with this bitch.
You know what I'm saying? Like this.
Tell him, oh yeah, I'm a young live Messi.
Yeah, a lot, man. This get.
When the flash hits this, the shit just turns like
The back
orange and
crazy.
shit. Yeah, like it just bends with the light and shit like that.
What is y'all talking about?
It's real evil.
This is shit I like right here, bro.
What size jeans you wear?
And it fit perfect too, bro. Like
That won't fit you.
No, that's what I'm saying. This gonna be the one that fits you like perfectly.
Yeah,
Like
that won't fit the
Like, bitch, I wasn't even trying to. I was like, man, still have my yeah. Oh, yeah, Cameron Nichols behind the lens, by the way. Bitch. Yeah. Oh, that shit hard right there. Damn, this shit clean. you see this shit, brother?
Had that bitch cleaning into the house. What the fuck on that bullshit? Shawty treat that like a juice.